Electoral Commission says its primary prerogative is to strive to deliver free and fair elections in the next 5 weeks. The Commission was vindicated by the Constitutional Court's ruling, which found that it possesses the statutory powers to reopen the candidate registration process and amend the electoral timetable in the way it has done. The Apex Court dismissed the Democratic Alliance's application, but the party says it will be watching the IEC closely in the run-up to the November polls.
The IEC sets a deadline. It says to the Constitutional Court it can't possibly change voter registration or candidate registration unless the election is postponed till 2022. When the court says you can't postpone the election till after the constitutionally determined date on the 1st of November, suddenly the IEC says, oh, well, in that case, we can hold a voter registration. And because we are holding a voter registration, in case any of those newly registered voters want to stand as candidates, we better open the candidate registration as well. We find that sequence of events interesting. The court clearly also found it very interesting, and we will be watching that space very closely indeed.
But the Commission refutes the narrative that it was biased in favor of the ANC.
The court held that on the papers before it, the impartiality of the Commission could not be impugned. The clarity provided by the Constitutional Court on this matter has laid a solid foundation for all parties to focus on preparing for the election. On its part, the Commission will continue to discharge its responsibility with decisions rooted in the Constitution and the law. Such an approach ensures that we remain true to the constitutional duty of delivering a free and fair election.
Close to 2 million people registered to vote over the past weekend, whilst 500,000 applications were processed online since July. The province with the highest registration activity is KwaZulu-Natal, followed by Gauteng. The IEC says 91% of new registrations are young people.
Since its inception in July, the online registration portal has processed 499,488 applications, which is just under 500,000.
Applications for special votes opened on Monday and will close on the 4th of October. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Johannesburg.